Hi, I'm Bayu Nugro, and this is ARCora, a stablecoin escrow app built on Arc Testnet for the Stablecoin Commerce Stack Challenge SME Trade Finance Track. The problem we're solving is simple. When a buyer and supplier don't know each other, how do you settle a deal without either side getting burned? AirCora answers that with on-chain escrow funds only move when both sides hold up their end. Access to ARCora is gated beyond a Genesis Pass NFT, which we deployed ourselves on our testnet. That's the one contract in this project that's actually ours. Everything else intentionally builds on Arc and Circle shared infrastructure instead of reinventing it. What that means, the whole app unlocks. First, both sides register a verified trade identity on-chain. This uses Arc's ERC814 identity registry contract. It's how buyers and suppliers build a reputation and get discovered instead of trading with an anonymous wallet. Here's the actual escrow flow. As the buyer, I create a purchase order, supplier address, and the description of the deal. As the supplier, I see the order waiting and I quote a price. Now the buyer funds escrow USDC actually gets locked in the smart contract. The status is now funded. Money's locked. Nobody can touch it yet. Once the supplier delivers, they submit proof of delivery on chain. And the buyer releases payment. That's the full life cycle: created, funded, submitted, completed. Every step is a real transaction on Arc, not a database row. Beyond escrow, ARCora also gives buyers and suppliers the tools to actually move money, swap between USDC and URC, bridge USDC in from base Sepolia using Circle CCTP, and send funds directly to another wallet. All of it's powered by Circle's AppKit. That's ARCora, Onchain escrow for trade finance, built natively on Arc and Circle's stack. Thanks for watching.